ang inaano ko nga ngayon is yung franchise ng PBA bumababa instead na pumapanik ang value no. Dapat yung franchise ng PBA as the years go by, nag-appreciate. Yung binili mong franchise 100 million 10 years ago, you sell it now, it's still 100 million, no? So,
Yeah.
kung meron kang venue which the PBA owns or at least partly owns, that means you are also invested in that. So yung asset na yan, dumadagdag yan doon sa value ng franchise mo. So for the league in general, it's good. And it also gives you some control over your scheduling. No? So ang
Correct.
problema kasi ng PBA, pagka walang venue, hindi mo alam kung saan mo dadalhin yung yung mga games mo eh.
Yes, nakita
Word.
ko sa online reporting na yung PBA Finals Commission Philippine Cup natalo sa wala sila sa Mall of Asia sa Araneta ba yun kasi may 10 CAC derby.